Hi guys, if Safari is not loading web pages correctly, and if you open the same web page on another browser like Chrome, it opens perfectly, then here is the fix. Many people prefer Safari because it is a battery saver browser compared to another browsers. So let's fix this issue. So for that, what you have to do, you have to just click on settings and now click on Wi-Fi, and now go to your Wi-Fi which is selected, which is connected, and click on these three dots and then click on network settings. And now once you're here, just try to turn it off and click on OK and see whether it fixes your issue. Otherwise, just turn it on if it does not work. Okay. Now another thing to note is just click on your name banner and click on iCloud and make sure this private relay is turned off. Okay, scroll down, and if it is turned off, then it's okay. Otherwise, turn it off and then see whether this works or not. Now if it is also not working, then what you can do, you can just open Safari and now click on Safari from the menu bar and click on settings and click on extensions and try to uninstall extensions one by one to locate that culprit extension which might be hindering you from loading web pages correctly. Okay, so if you have multiple extensions, try to uninstall them one by one and try loading the web page again and see if one of the extensions is causing this issue. Otherwise, reinstall them. Okay, if it is also not working, click on privacy tab and uncheck both these two options and then try to load the web pages again. If it doesn't work, then you can check this. Okay, so these are the methods which you can try and see whether it works or not. Thanks for watching. Please do like.